All
All right, great. Yeah, so like Mary mentioned, this includes a lot of updates to post-fire funding. So this is going to be relevant whenever you create a new feature in Ed funding lines or edit an existing feature. So we can start with just the create workflow. So we'll go ahead and create, not fuels, we'll create a new post-fire treatment. So let's zoom in, we'll just create a polygon. All right, and then just like you normally would, you can select a project, but for this, we really need to make sure that you at minimum have a program. We'll put test demo feature, and we want to also make sure we have a category selected. We'll go ahead and select a type as well. So we'll save that, and then you'll see it derives some additional fields, so we'll make sure that everything is saved before we manage costs. All right, let's go ahead and get into the manage costs. So you'll see down here, there are now the new additional post-fire cost fields. So you have equipment, material and supply, procurement, and travel cost. So when you come into the manage costs dialog and you add a new funding line, like you could before, you can select from a funding source program. And you'll see these are fuels, because that was a legacy functionality we want to keep, but when you select post-fire, it automatically updates everything and updates all of these. So we can go ahead and let's put in some data. All right, and then we'll put in a couple cost lines and hit apply. Those will save, and now you'll see in here you have those additional fields in the grid, and you can see those new cost fields show up. And if you go back to this, you'll also see, yep, we added some personnel costs, and then we added some of these post-fire specific costs in the new total. This will be the same workflow if you edit an existing feature. And then we'll also go over to the bulk edit screen just so you can see it there as well. So let's open up one of these. Looks like this has some funding. Let's scroll over. We can see those new cost fields. These are null, right? So we don't have any data in here yet. That's fine. Let's go ahead and edit this funding assignment. Let's add some new funding lines. So go ahead and hit apply. And now you can see, oh, there are the changes. All right, go ahead.